1,000 lights, 1,000 ways. We tune into signs, the soul obeys. Blessed be the path.
Spiritual meanings, sacred signs, crop circles, and cosmic truths. Welcome back to Spiritual Meanings. Thank you for being here on this illuminating journey. Today, we're exploring the enchanting world of crop circles and uncovering their connections to our spiritual awakening. As we embark on this exploration, let's remember that every thought shared makes us all stronger. Are you ready to dive deeper into these sacred mysteries with us? What if, as we step into this exploration, we open ourselves to the whispers of the universe? Each crop circle may hold keys to ancient wisdom, guiding us toward remembering our intrinsic connection to nature and one another. Together, let's shift our perceptions and embrace the unknown, inviting the energies of the cosmos to illuminate our paths. What evokes curiosity within you about this phenomenon? As we delve into these sacred patterns, let's take a moment to pause and reflect. In the midst of our busy lives, it's crucial to create space for stillness, allowing the energy of the crop circles to resonate within us. Each design tells a story, echoing the pulse of the earth and the cosmos, awakening our innate wisdom. Have you ever taken a moment to just breathe and listen? What feelings arise when you contemplate the mysteries of the universe? Embrace the experience. Crop circles evoke an ancient reverberation, extraordinary symbols etched into the landscape, reminiscent of lost languages waiting to be decoded. When you stand in their embrace, a sensation of unity often washes over you. It's as if the earth itself is whispering secrets, urging us to remember our origins and our purpose. Have you felt that tingling connection? As we continue our exploration, consider how these patterns might serve as mirrors reflecting our collective consciousness and the whispers of the divine. Let your heart be open, for today's journey is just beginning, and the layers of meaning await our discovery. What insights stir within you as we journey together? As we edge closer to the heart of our exploration, let's contemplate the profound significance of each crop circle's design. These intricate formations resonate with nature's rhythms, inviting us to engage not just with our eyes, but with our souls. They act as beacons, calling us to uncover the sacred geometry that connects us to the universe. Have you ever felt a deeper connection to the earth while standing among these patterns? As we venture deeper, let's reflect on the transformative power that these formations hold. Crop circles aren't just visual wonders. They invite us to engage our intuition, to awaken the dormant parts of ourselves. Each symbol acts as a touchstone, reconnecting us to the energies that weave the fabric of existence. What feelings arise in you when you witness their beauty? Have they sparked a longing for deeper connection, for discovery? Embrace the insights that surface as we unravel the mysteries wrapped within these sacred patterns. Together, let's honor the messages they convey and celebrate the unity that can emerge through our shared experience. What wisdom do you believe these circles want to impart? Crop circles are more than mere patterns on the ground. They are a call to embrace our inner truth and collective awakening. Each shape carries a unique energy, urging us to explore the depths of our consciousness and seek harmony with the earth and ourselves. As we journey through this exploration, I invite you to reflect on the interconnectedness of all living beings. What emerges in your heart when you consider this profound connection? Let's move forward together, supporting one another as we unveil the beauty and wisdom hidden within these sacred formations. Your insights and experiences enrich this dialogue, guiding us towards shared understanding. What thoughts are bubbling up for you right now as we transition into the next phase? Let's continue to grow, learn, and awaken collectively as we embrace the mysteries ahead with open hearts and minds. The journey is far from over, and every voice matters. As we embrace the mysteries of crop circles, let us also honor the stories of those who have ventured into these enchanted fields. Each individual carries a unique perspective, illuminated by their own experiences. Have you ever felt compelled to share your encounter with such phenomena? In this community, your narrative can inspire others to explore, engage, and reflect on their truths. We encourage you to weave your voice into the tapestry of our journey, forging connections that resonate far beyond the surface. What revelations await us as we listen to one another? This connection invites us all to explore deeper. In embracing this shared journey, we discover that every crop circle serves as a reminder of our profound connections to each other, the earth, and the universe. Together, we can awaken to the infinite wisdom that surrounds us, inviting transformation and unity as we walk this sacred path. Thank you for being part of this vibrant community.